Hey there, Leo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan ng reading nito, reminders everyone that this is not for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito. By lalaki, LGBT cross switchers, you're all welcome here, of course. So, just only take what resonates with you. So, tingnan natin. Energy check-in tayo for you, Leo. Ano ba meron dito for you, guys? Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Spirits and angel guides, can you please show me messages for their highest good? This is for my dear Leo people. This is for Leo. Energy check-in for Leo, please. Leo. Gathering up all the energies for you guys. Okay. Come on. Let's see, Leo. Ooh, we have here a very fresh start. Looks like you're gonna harvest something here that will make your life more balanced or more in a state of balance. So let's just lay all the energies sa ating table first. Woo! Alam mo, wini-wish mo na talaga 80. Nakikita ko dito. I can see it na nangyayari. We have here support, Knight of Coins energy. And you know what I'm getting right here? Knight of Pentacles energy, Knight of Swords. Actually, two people ito, no? Na parehas nang nagkaroon ng lakas dito. So, meron kang options when it comes to love. At isa dyan. Ito kasi, na-explain ko sa inyo, Leo. Itong Knight of Coins na ito, no, maaaring matagal na tong may feelings and emotions sa inyo, no. Kaya lang, pwede kasing shy type siya, medyo, pwede rin kasi na medyo may fear siya about love right here, no, or talagang dinadaga, no, we're getting that, dinadaga, naduduwag, no, pagdating sa inyo, no, pero amin na siya, no, pero nakakaloka, may kasabay siya rito, halos sunuran lang rin, no, so nakikita ko, Leo, that with this Knight of Swords energy, someone here is also, okay, coming your way, okay, two people right here is coming your way. This one could be a boss type of energy right here, okay, so ever this guy or girl right here coming towards you, or woman right here, wala tayong gender, I can see that this is someone here, no, na kung pagbabasihan natin, no, yung kanilang status sa buhay is mas maalwan yung pamumuhay nitong isa, pero ito masipag naman din ito, no, at meron din itong potential na bigyan ka ng magandang buhay, no. Ito kasi parang meron na siyang napundar sa sarili niya. Hinikita ko rito. Kasi lumalabas siya bilang meron siyang Emperor's energy. So, that is someone here, no, na meron na siyang established na life. Baka siya ay owner ng sariling company or baka CEO yun ang kumpanya ninyo. And this is someone here na with the Knight of Coins energy. This is a very grounded energy. This is a faithful one as well. I can see that this person right here has this potential na yumaman or maging wealthy rin. So, kahit kanino ka mapunta, mga babes, no, plakak, no, plakado nakikita ko for you. At isa dyan, sa mga nilalangers na yan, sa mga nilalang na yan, ang iyong makatutuluyan dito, no. So, iba sa inyo, pwedeng mga single mom or single dad kayo, but doesn't have to be. But this person right here with this Four of Wands energy wants this taking this new relationship into the next level, no? I'm picking that these are all brand new, wala yung ex mo dito, Leo. So, kung sino man to, nakikita ko that this person wants to build a home, a happy life with you, tanggap niya yung anak ninyo or mga anak ninyo, kung meron man kayong mga anak, but doesn't have to be na meron kayong mga anak right now, no? Pwede rin kasi mga babes that this person right here wants to have children with you. Gusto niya bumuo kayo ng sarili niyong pamilya rito. It's a fresh start. Yung iba magugulat kayo, no? Kasi hindi niyo akalain, no, sa isang iglap, no, meron dito dalawang tao na I'm getting competition, no? Makikipagkompetensya para sa attention mo rito, Leo. Yeah, get ready to be pursued, no? By two people right here. No, we have here 2 knight in shining armors for the guys and 2 princesses or queens para sa ating mga guys right here, no? So, at ang gender dito mga babes, nakikita ko dito that these 2 people right here are both na pwede mong pag-investan dito, no? Ng iyong lifetime, kumbaga. So, nakikita ko dito that this person right here is isa talaga dyan yung mapapangasawa mo kasi you both have the marriage card. These are 2 indications of getting married, no? Plus, ito pa pala, justice. This is a marriage contract right here. Yeah! So, nakikita ko na ikakasal ka na o makikita mo na yung taong pakakasalan mo. Yan. And also, I'm getting for you, Leo. No? Nakikita ko rito, no, na yung matagal mo nang hinihintay, no, na oportunidad. No? Pwede kasi may pinag-investan ka na money or pwedeng business, no? Pwedeng may nag-ipunan ka, no, kasi gusto mong mag-business or kasi meron kang gustong paglaanan at gawin sa pera niya sa makabuluhang bagay. I can see it na mangyayari na. Ngayon na nakikita ko rito. Whatever it is that you're working with, you're working on that thing really, no, passionately, dedicated ka dyan, no, nakikita ko rito that it will give you balance. Kasi kung ano man yan, you will harvest anything stable from that. At kung ano yung stable na yun, ay pera yun. Money is growing, okay, I can see it. Yeah, gradually ang pag-angat rito ng pera mo, may success dyan mga babes, no? Kaya kung ano man yan, pinag-iipunan mo kasi gusto mo mag-business dito, kahit anong business man yan, because it's just general reading right here, magtatagumpay ka. Yun ang nakikita ko rito, no? At yan ay magdadala sa'yo ng pera, paglago ng kaperahan ang nakikita ko for you, Leo. So, yeah. And also, I'm picking up right here na marami kang magiging kakompetensya dyan. Kung business man yan or trabaho man yan for you guys. Pero nakikita ko, no, na magiging wagi ka dyan. Okay? Kasi iba-iba naman. Kahit sabihin natin, sige, pare-pareho kayo ng tinda. Kung tinda man yan. No? Or pare-pareho kayo ng produkto rito or items. Okay? Nakikita ko rito na syempre depende pa rin yan sa approach ninyo. No? Kung ikaw ay seller or kung ikaw ay business owner, so whatever it is, no, kung trabaho man yan na pare-pares kayo rito, no, naka-line up or nominated para dyan sa designation or position na yun, syempre may kanya-kanya kayo ritong uniqueness at originality, so yun ang mapapatunayan mo sa kanila. So yeah, so I can see a wish fulfillment right here coming towards you at yun na nga yung may kinalamin sa'yo, kaperahan. No? Actually, yun ang nakikita mong wish fulfillment. Pero kasi, eto kasi ditong love life, hindi mo nakikita ito eh. Kasi busy ka sa stability mo, Leo. Busy ka rito sa pundasyon ng kaperahan mo. Yun yung binibuild mo. Ini-establish mo rito yung may kinalaman sa money. Pwede nag-iipon ka ng bonggisius, no? Ikaw ito na gusto mong ma-target na masungkit, no, yung designation or position, no, with high honor or with authority dyan sa kumpanya pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Yun yung nakikita mong wish fulfillment. Ang hindi mo alam, meron ka pa ritong love life. Na nakikita natin for you dito, no? Pero huwag kayo mag-alala, no? Dahil kung bus nyo man ito na isa rito, no? Hindi naman kayo mapopromote dahil gusto niya kayo or dahil mahal niya kayo, no? Kundi dahil magaling talaga kayo. Kasi nakita ko inimportan nyo to eh. 7 of Coins energy is someone who digs deep. Ibig sabihin, you nurtured it, inalagaan mo yan, nilagyan ng pataba, no, at ikaw ay talagang nagpursige na araw-araw na i-water yan, no, yung dedication, i-water ng dedication, i-water ng motivation, no, sinikita ko dito. Kaya yan, yung pag-angat rito sa ladder of success with the Hierophant ay walang iba kundi dahil inilaban mo to. Sinikita ko dito. Okay? So, a wish fulfillment is being offered to you by the universe with the Justice card right here, and it's all yours. It's all yours, okay? Dito masyashock ka, no? Kasi this is you. Hindi ko sinasabing mga babes, no, for singles na ito. Just take how this resonates. Pero kung ikaw ay single, magugulat ka talaga kasi you have 2 conversions right here. Okay? At isa na dyan, no, ang talaga rito na makakatuluyan mo. Marriage it is. You have 3. Na nagtuturo dito na parang may araw dito, no, na ang susunod na ikakasal ay walang iba kundi tada, ikaw, Leo, yan, no? Hindi ka man ikakasal like ngayon na. Eh. Pero, ito na yung taong, makikita mo na yung taong pakakasalan mo. So, yan, no? Dito mabingi na yung mesa natin rito. So, thank you so much, Leo. Claim this beautiful message right here because I know that you deserve this. Thank you so much. Sarang 11 life. Annyeong.